Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix no sound output problem on Windows 11. And for this we go to the search bar and we search for control panel, enter it, hardware and sound, and then right here go to your Realtek R audio, right mouse click, disable, right mouse click, enable. This is the first thing that you need to do. Then right now click on it, do properties, then go to levels and make sure that this icon right here is looking like this and not like this. So you can turn it on like this. Then right now what we need to do is go to advanced and make sure that you disable the enable audio enhancement. So now click on apply, do OK. And right now after this, it probably will work. If it's still not working, what we need to do is close everything, search for device manager, go to device manager. Then right here, search for your audio card. So let's see where it is. Right here, and then this, and then click on the right mouse click and then do update driver. Then right here do search automatically for drivers. Right now he's searching, and after this the best drivers for a device are already installed. Right now restart your PC and you will see that it will work. Alright, for now thanks for watching, have a wonderful day and ciao.